Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a home economics course for home ec homeschool students. In the previous video in this particular series, I was going over the SSL Hybrid ATR indicator. Okay, so if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go back and see that video. It's the foundation for the rest of this series. And we are doing the no nonsense forex method, and we're using the SSL Hybrid. So if you do not know how to add SSL Hybrid to your chart, you will need to go to Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies, type in SSL Hybrid, and you type it in. It will come up under Community Scripts. You just double click on it, and you make sure you put a star so it'll be in your favorites. That's it. Now it'll come in your chart, and it'll look like this. It will actually look like this without the other indicators that I have at the bottom that I'll show you how to use later. And again, we use the SSL Hybrids ATR with as a 2 on our chart. So that helps us find our when to start trailing. Now, let's talk about the next thing that we need to use on our chart. With the SSL Hybrid, we're going to talk about sorry about that. We're going to talk about the exit arrows. Okay, so I'm actually going to turn off everything else. Eventually we'll put all of this together, but for the moment I'm just going to turn off everything else. We're going to talk about the exit arrows. Now the exit arrows are just what they say. They're exit arrows. If you're in, for instance, a long trade and you get this symbol, it's this telling you to exit the long trade. If you're in a short trade and you get this one, it's telling you, hey, I know you were selling, but you need to get out, okay? Because the bulls have stepped in, and now it starts buying, and then it will tell you to exit as well. Now the bears have stepped in. You might want to get out your trade, and as you see, it starts selling here. As it's selling, you have an exit, the buy, the sell, and because bulls have stepped in. So bears have stepped in here, bulls have stepped in. Even though the colors are different, this indicator has a thing where it changes the colors. So let me go and check off just for the moment the bar colors, just so you can actually see. So my purple candles are selling candles, of bearish candles, and my blue candles are candles that are bullish or buying, right? Price is moving up. So let me show you again. Bulls have stepped in, it's telling you to exit the sell. Bears have stepped in, it's telling you to exit the buy. Okay. Now, that's what it is. These are exit arrows, and I'll prove it to you before I show you how we use it. So let me go here, back here. You see where it says exit arrows? So I'm telling you that the actual name of it. So when you decide to actually add alert, you're going to want to use the exit arrows. Let me show you. Go alert, and you want to add an alert. You want to go to SSL Hybrid, and you want to see exit buy, exit sell. So make sure you take notes. Exit buy is a selling condition if you're going to use it the way we use it, and exit sell is a buying condition. Okay, I'm going to type this up really quick. I'm going to say, so exit buy, we're talking about for alert purposes, really means sell, right? We're going to call that a sell signal. And exit sell is a buy signal. And these are the arrows. All right, so you guys need to know that that's what these are with SSL Hybrid. These are the actual arrows. These are exit arrows. So when you hear me refer to the exit arrows, this is what I'm talking about. This is an exit arrow, and it's telling you to exit the sell. See, these 3 candles were selling, and this bullish candle pretty much came and took out these 3 candles, and now it's telling you get out of the sale. If you have not yet, stop selling, close your trade. Okay, so we're actually going to use these as buy signals, not entries. They're just going to be signals. So that's also signaling to tell us why they're telling us to close your sell trade, because bulls have stepped in. So this is a potential buy signal. We're going to put it all together, and you'll see when we actually buy, we're going to have to confirm this signal twice, but we will make sure that this will be the first thing. If it does show up on our chart first, it will be a standard signal for us. We're going to be looking for these arrows. These alerts will bring us back to our chart, and then we will know that, hey, bulls have at least stepped in, or here's bears have stepped in. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you that these are exit arrows. You can use them to exit your trade, and or you can use them to enter your trade. Okay, to enter as far as an entry signal, but you have to confirm. And I'm going to add the next component to help you help with confirmation. It won't be the only confirmation, but it will help confirmation. But if you're looking for a primary confirmation, you can use the SSL Hybrid as your primary confirmation within your algorithm, and these exit arrows can act just as that. Okay, that's the end of this video. In the next video, I'm going to turn on another port piece to this SSL hybrid. We're going to discuss that, and that will be can act as a further confirmation for entry and exit. All right, guys, thank you for your time. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, so I will continue to put out content like this and break down other indicators for your algorithms. If you um, want to stay tuned into how you can join the academy once I release it officially to the public, make sure you subscribe, and you would also get notifications, especially if you hit the bell icon, when I release the future videos, the other parts of this series, and other videos within my trading academy. All right, guys, thank you for your time. I'll talk soon. See you in the next video, and hopefully I'll see you in the classroom. Bye now.